Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am going to be doing a little bit of a review and sort of unboxing of my Suitsuit suitcase collection. I've got the large suitcase, which is it's the 28-inch one as it's listed online, the 20-inch travel suitcase, and also the Fabulous 50s packing cube set. All of this is the Fabulous 50s collection, and it's all in the luminous mint colour. There's lots of different colour options. Some people like to go for different coloured. I've just gone for one colour for all of my items. So I'm going to be going through all of them with you today, just so you can get an idea about what they look like. I know when I was going to buy them before, I kind of looked on Instagram and tried to find things online just to see how other people were getting on with them. So I just thought this video might help you if you're thinking about buying them. If you're in the UK, I think the main way of getting them is online. So yeah, just giving you an idea of what they're like. This one I got at Christmas, so I've had this one for a little while, so I have actually used it. But this one I only just got in the last couple of weeks. As you can see, I've still got all of the seal on it and everything. So this is going to be a bit more of an unboxing one because I haven't actually used it, so I can't give it a proper review. But this one I can a bit more. And then obviously the packing cubes I also haven't used, so I'll be unboxing those and showing you what they look like. So let's get started. Suitcases from Suitsuit the idea is that they just offer something a bit different from your average kind of black, grey, white, regular suitcase. There's all sorts of different collections. So there's the Fabulous 50s, which is this one. Then there's a 70s collection, which has kind of got a bit of brown edging. And then there's another one that's just came out, which is a kind of eco-friendly suitcase collection. So there's 3 different collections that I'm aware of, but this was the one that I spotted and really wanted to get my hands on. So I first saw these suitcases when I was in Amsterdam in a department store, and this was the one that I saw, and I just thought it was so cute, and I really wanted it then and there, but had to wait until Christmas. So this is the one I'll start with, so let's have a look at it. So as I say, it's a 20-inch one, so it's nice and small and easy to carry around. I've obviously had this since Christmas, and I think I've used it twice now, so not loads, and I haven't used it on any flights because obviously everything with the coronavirus pandemic, I haven't been able to actually travel anywhere abroad. But I have taken it on a train and also used it just kind of travelling around London. It has already got a little bit of a mark on the zip. I think it's kind of to be expected with suitcases like these ones, just because they're in such a light colour, and you've obviously got all of the light edging as well, so it's one of those things, it's just kind of the wear and tear. So it's not a negative, but obviously just be aware they are quite expensive, so they are going to get damaged, but that's kind of the nature of suitcases. And this is what it looks like inside. See it here? So you've got nice little compartments. There's this one on one side, and it's got separate zips here. I'm going to get some close-ups for you. Yeah, then there's this other side here, and then the extra compartments, which I just think is really handy for when you're wanting to go on a weekend away and you just want to have everything nice and organised and separated. When I go away, part of the fun of it all is getting packed up and everything looking so nice all together in your suitcase. So if you're anything like me, then I think this will suit you quite well. I just think this is a really nice compact little suitcase. The wheels are really good. They're multi-functioning ones, so you can kind of move them all around. You're not just having to wheel in one direction, which I do find really useful, particularly when I'm travelling through London during rush hour or something and everyone's moving around very quickly. It's good to be able to just nip around with it. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, and I just really like the smooth sort of edges. And the other good thing about it is it's got a built-in lock, and it's got the TSA, you can see here, the TSA lock, which basically means if you take it on holiday and security services need to like get inside, they won't rip it open. They're like a special key that they can use to get in. And I was really glad about that, because I actually had a suitcase ripped open once before, and then once they've obviously ripped the zips, you can't use it anymore. So yeah, but basically the way that goes in is it just has little holes here that you can pop them in, and the automatic code that you get when you first get this suitcase is 000, and it's the same with this one as well. So when it first arrives, it will come like this, already clipped in. Don't panic, you just need to flip this switch here like that, and then they pop out and you're good to go. And then inside the suitcase there are instructions about how to set your new combination. So all of it's there and it's quite simple, and actually in the bigger suitcase, which I'll show you in just a second, there's even a card that you can actually just take out and keep with you if you ever need to know how to change the combination or anything like that, because I know that can be a source of stress on holiday if you suddenly realise that you can't get into your suitcase. One thing I will say about them is the zips can get a bit stuck on the edges sometimes when I'm trying to zip it up really quickly. You just have to be quite gentle with it. It's probably just me being too boisterous with it, trying to zip it up really quickly. And obviously you have to get the zips right around the edges as well to open and close, otherwise it does just get stuck. Again, it's probably just what I usually do, where I kind of rip my suitcases open and probably break the zips, but yeah, just be aware of that. But I just think it's a really nice suitcase and I'm really happy with it. And I really like the handle as well, it pulls out really easily and it has different levels, so you can choose however you want to use it. So yeah, really good. Let's have a look at this one. So this is the 28-inch suitcase. It's the biggest one that they do of this collection, the Fabulous 50s. It's got quite good little feet on it here for when you need to open it up, which this one doesn't have. So this is it as it's just arrived. As you can see, it's still got all the wrapping on it. I haven't actually used it yet. And it's still got all of the seal all around it, which you're not meant to peel off until you know for 100% that you want to keep the suitcase, so be sure to keep that on there. So yeah, it comes all labelled up, you get a nice little Fabulous 50s label on there, and it also has the instructions about the lock as well on the label, so don't panic. So the actual size of this one is 76 by 50 by 30 centimetres, but it's called the 28-inch Luminous Mint. And yeah, it looks really nice. The letters, the Suitsuit letters on this one are really nice and shiny. On this one they're already looking a bit worn out. Again, I think it's just the wear and tear of using a suitcase. But yeah, it looks really nice. It's quite static, so all my pug's hairs have got attached to it already. So yeah, let's have a look inside this one. Again, it's got the combination lock, as you can see here. And we're in. So I think I'm going to have to film most of this with cutaways showing you because I can't really hold this suitcase up. But it's got basically one side that's got the clip that you can see to hold your clothes inside. So this is mainly probably where I'll actually put my packing cubes, which I'll show you in just a second. And then the other side is another sealed compartment. I just really like the idea of having all of this for when I go away, because there's nothing worse than getting on holiday, opening up your bag and all of your clothes just falling from one side to the other. So yeah, I really like this one. There's also the two bigger compartments, and then in the middle there's a separate one as well. I'm not sure what it's designed for, but it's just really nice for, you could put all sorts of different things in there. You could put your clothes in there once you've already worn them, some of your clothes. Maybe you're like, I would probably put my hair curlers or something like that in there. Just a really handy little pocket to fill up with whatever you wish to. So this handle is really good. It's got two different levels. It always gets stuck because it's got the plastic on it. There's this level, which is obviously quite handy for when you're just nipping around the airport, and then obviously the much higher level as well. So yeah, really good. A nice handle here, and same thing on this side. Yeah, there's another handle on this side as well. Obviously I've still got all of the casing and everything on it to protect it until I first get to use it for a proper holiday, which would be really nice. Can't wait for that. Now let's look at the packing cubes, my favourite. I've never ever had packing cubes before, and I've been looking for some for ages, and I just thought when I was getting this collection it would just be really nice to have the full set. All of this, so this came in a really big, obviously big cardboard box with Suitsuit written on the front, and then this has got a really nice box which says Fabulous 50s packing cube set, large suitcase, so obviously they go with this suitcase. I think you probably would be able to fit some of them in here, but this is the one that it's designed for. So let's carry on. So this is what comes inside. So you get this compartment. So obviously this is the main packing case. And I'll show you them all laid out inside as well. And then you get these two smaller ones, so for maybe underwear or smaller items, these, maybe vest tops, things like that. And then you get the medium size one, and obviously the large one. So you get 4 in there. I just think they're really nice, really great for taking on holiday with you, for unpacking as well. They open up quite big, you can see here. Little zips, and just all of it's matching. And then these ones actually have separate compartments within them, so there's just so many options of how you can use them all. So yeah, these zip like this, that's how you open them. And then there's another zip as well for another compartment, so it's just lots of different ways that you could use these. Obviously you could use them for toiletries. I probably won't, because I want to just keep them nice and clean and tidy, and I usually use plastic, like the more plasticky toiletry bags, just because you can just wipe them clean, and I just find they get so dirty so quickly, and I wouldn't want to ruin these or just have like one of them covered in makeup. So yeah, and it's the same on this side, nice big space inside there. So that's two of the same size of these, except this one then doesn't have the same compartments as the other. This one is just plain. So yeah, this is probably more the one to use for underwear and clothes, and then this one you could use for more specific items, maybe hair accessories or jewellery. There's so many different ways that you could use it, or you could use certain compartments for certain things, maybe like hairbands in one. So yeah, looking forward to using these. I'm going to zip them back up so I keep them nice. Then this is the medium size one. Again, it's just empty, there's no extra compartments in there, so you can just get lots of clothes in there. Probably something I would go for my tops in there, rolled up, and it's just going to look so nice. It will fit like this inside. Yeah, really happy with that one. And then finally, obviously this large one, which all of the cubes also fit inside for storing here, and that's going to fit in there as well, like that. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with them. They all look really nice. I think it's going to be a great collection. As I say, you can't get them particularly easily in the UK. You won't see them in stores, or I haven't seen them in any stores. You can get them online. I've seen them on Amazon, but we ordered directly from the Suitsuit website, and both times that we've ordered things, we haven't had any trouble. They've arrived quite quickly and without any sort of hassle or anything like that, even though obviously you're not ordering from within the UK. So yeah, overall a really good collection. Obviously I haven't been able to actually take these away with me yet, so I can't give a full review as to kind of the wear and tear and how they are to use, particularly this big one. I obviously haven't used it at all yet, but my overall first thoughts on it, just from having a look at it and getting to actually have it in my hands, I am really happy with it, and I would recommend it to people. You can get a sort of a cover for it, which I think is around €25, which I might buy online, because it's like clear and then it's got the same coloured mint sides, and it would just mean that when it does go on the plane it's more likely to be protected. So I might buy one of those. I'll let you know in the comments below if I do and how I get on with them. I will link all of this below. Obviously I've bought all of this myself. Haven't been given any discounts or anything. I just wanted to share with you what I thought of them, and I know that there's not a lot of clear reviews out there about them or the company, but overall I just want to say that it's been a really good experience to purchase from them, and yeah, really looking forward to using them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully see you again very soon. I've got lots of the reviews coming up, so yeah, do subscribe if you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye!